Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 ways to add color to your neutral makeup. I'm gonna show you how to do a pop of color, super nice and simple 5-minute application. So, without any further ado, let's get started. I love using color on my makeup and I use it in different type of ways. But I really want to show you guys that you don't need to be a pro to use a little pop of color here and there if you want to change your makeup around and be super fun with your makeup. For this, I'm going to be using the new Michaela's Pad 2 eyeshadow palette. And you can see it has a lot of color here that we can play with. The very first one and my favorite one is actually apply a little pop of color in the inner corners. And I like to use a nice shadow brush like this one. It's a little bit on an angle, but a small brush. And I'm gonna be using this color over here. The color is called Mama Wang. And what I do is basically dab that color in the inner corners. You can go small, you can do it bigger. It depends on how you want that pop of color show off. I sometimes just do a little tiny application, but you can go bigger with it. I think I'm gonna apply a little bit more like this. And the good thing about using this brush is that you will reach the inner corner super easy with it. This brush is actually the one that came in Michaela's collection. It comes in a set, so you're gonna have to buy the set, but it's super inexpensive. It's like $18. It comes with 4 brushes. I'm gonna show you the brushes. In here you have more of a blending brushes, and then you have this small detail brush. You will do the same thing on the other eye, and that's it. This is super simple, super easy. I'm going to do a close-up so you can see the application and how beautiful it looks. But actually, things to keep in mind when doing this inner application is if you have close set eyes like I do, you want to apply colors that are a little bit more in the pastel family. So you want to go lighter in application and in shade of the color so your eyes doesn't look more closer than they are. And this will actually bring a little bit more light into the inner part of your eyes. So don't go with dark colors or stuff like that because it's going to look very dramatic and it can emphasize if you have a little bit of a dark circle or darkness in that area, it might emphasize that darkness. Make sure that you correct the darkness in the inner part and apply a light color in it. It could be a light yellow, pastel, any pastel color or neon color that you like. Okay, the next technique is actually very nice. I love this one because I love doing colorful liners. And I'm going to be doing a very small smoke out type of liner. And we're gonna do it using this shade here. It's called Fall River. And I'm going to be using the same brush. I'm going to take a little bit of the product. And since we're doing a smoke out liner, it doesn't have to be too precise. You choose the size of the liner you want to do. I want to do a very small one and focus that one more in the outer part of the eye. So let's do that. And you can look how beautiful it's already looking. Let's do the same thing on the other eye. This one is super cute. It looks super nice. And I love it because it's easy. You don't have to be too precise because it's a smoke out liner. You don't have to be perfect. You can do it with one brush and you can use any color you like. It doesn't have to be green. You can use blue, purple, pink, and it will look beautiful. I'm reapplying a little bit of the concealer because I got a little fallout in there. And you can do it as big as you want. I did it super small this time, but sometimes I do it like super big and I take it almost to my temple because it really looks very, very nice. You can see right now on the close-up that is a beautiful look. And it will look amazing with any neutral type of application. Choose the color you want, and you can even use shimmers with this and it will look amazing. Okay, and the last technique is actually my favorite one, and we're gonna do a full smoky, one color, colorful look. I'm gonna be using this shade here that's called No Hash Lines. You're gonna get a fluffy brush, but more of a flat, fluffy brush like this one. This is also from her collection. And I'm going to get the color, but you're not gonna apply the color on the entire lid. What you're gonna do is you're gonna apply it on the mobile lid only. You can add some eyeshadow primer before doing this. All I have here is a little bit of concealer. I try to remove the green as much as I could. Probably you will pick a little bit of the green still. And you're gonna apply this, dabbing the color first to make sure you have full intensity of the color, and only in the mobile lid. Keep it low there. And then whatever is on the brush, you will use the brush to move the color a little bit upwards, but it's not gonna be like in the full lid, like in the entire lid. You're gonna take it up to your crease, I would say. Get a little bit more of the color, and you're going to get rid of the harsh lines that are going to be created when dabbing the color first, and you're going to blend, blend, blend. Keep it low in your mobile lid. So it's going to be like when you close your eyes, you're gonna see the full thing, but when you open it, it's only like a pop of color there. So let's do the same thing on the other eye so you can see the entire look. This is one of my favorites because sometimes you don't know what to do. You're not creative enough to do something super glamorous that day. So you just pick a color and apply it on your mobile lid like this. Blend it up to your crease and you're done. The look is done and it's going to be beautiful. And if you already have your neutral shade in the crease, let's say that you apply a little bit of your bronzer or a little bit of brown there, it's going to look beautiful because it's going to be like you actually put an effort on it and you didn't really. I love this color. It's gorgeous. So you're gonna see the close-up right now and you'll see that it's super simple. When you have your eyes closed, you're gonna see the full color there, but when you open your eyes, it's only like a peak of color that is coming through, and it's going to look beautiful with a neutral look also because it's just like a pop of color. You're not using a bunch of shades, and you can actually match this with whatever pop of color you have on your clothing. Right now, neons are super in trend, so what you can do is actually do this with a neon color, maybe a green and orange. So these are the 3 techniques that I actually love, and I actually do whenever I don't feel inspired and I don't know what to do it, but I want to use some color in my makeup. And I get a lot of compliments when I do this because people think that when you use color you have to be super creative, otherwise you cannot use color. And no, you can do something as simple as this eyeshadow look and it will look amazing on you with some lashes and a beautiful peachy type of nude lipstick. You're done. And that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If you like the techniques or if you did any of these 3, take a picture, put it on your Instagram, and don't forget to tag me at Makeup by Lennie. I want to see your looks. Don't forget to leave me any questions or comments. Don't forget also to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and I see you on the next one. Bye bye.